on Monday the 12th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. UK time, 2 a.m. Bangladesh time, we'll be able to buy and sell FTC on the Binance blockchain. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the contract address because we'll need it. I want to show you how you're going to set this up inside of your FinTalk wallet, right? So here we're going to go right into the FinTalk app. Now in the FinTalk app, you see the announcement already here. So another way to copy the address is to copy it right from the FinTalk app, where you can see that it's telling you that the swap is going to be available on PancakeSwap. So what do? You first need to create a wallet that you don't have your node mining in. This was one of the things we heard from some of the leaders, right? It's not compulsory, but you probably want to just do that. And we are going to go to wallet. Now you want to make sure you have BNB for gas fee and USDT also, right? BEP20. So you're going to click on swap trading. Now when you click on swap trading, at the top right, you see now you have PancakeSwap, but it says connect at the top right. You will click on connect. Then you can type on either Trust Wallet or Injected, either one of them. It doesn't matter. It would now connect your wallet to PancakeSwap. Now at the top, you want to have USDT. So what we'll do is that at the top, we want USDT. And at the bottom, you're going to click on Cake, the arrow right next to Cake, the little tiny arrow pointing down. And then you're going to choose where it says search or paste address. You're going to tap in there and you're going to paste the address. Now you see it says FTC. Now you see the address ends in 0EC7. Make sure of that. Click on import. Then there is a notice. Just hit on I understand and click on import. Then now you will be able to swap your USDT for FTC. You want your slippage to be, you see where it says slippage tolerance, the pencil. You tap on that little pencil and then you'll be able to change the percentage. So where it says 0.1, 0.5, 1%, and then the last box you can type the amount. In this case, I type 25. So you can put 18, you can put 10. It doesn't really matter. You just wanted anything above 8 just so it processes your transaction faster. Then you close that and then now you're ready to go. So when it's time to buy, you're just going to go in there, put the amount, and then it will generate the coins and the price, and then you just hit on swap. At the moment, the coin is not live, it's not tradable, it's not programmed for us to be able to buy, so we have to wait. So once you're done trading it, you just click on the X to close, and then you would basically have it pop up right in here. I mean, you could try and look for it, but it wouldn't work this way. But it would show up in your list of coins right here because you have already done the purchase, right? So that's how it's going to be, and that is how we purchase FTC when it goes live using the FinTalk wallet. Now, for those of you who are using the Trust Wallet, how would you do this? It's going to Trust Wallet, right? You go right here, then into the browser, and then you click on exchange with PancakeSwap. Then now it's going to tell you it wants to connect. Make sure you change the wallet, the network, from Ethereum to Binance BNB. So where it says main wallet and you see the Ethereum logo, you click on it Then you switch to BNB Smart Chain. Then you hit connect. Then also you click on switch to BNB Smart Chain again to make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain. Then at the top, you're going to have USDT. Then same thing at the bottom where you see cake, click on the arrow next to cake or just click on cake. And then you would paste the FinTalk contract address, click on import, click on I understand, click on import again. Here you see I have my slippage on 12. You can leave it on 12 or you can change it to a higher amount. And then you just put the amount, and then once it's tradable, it will generate the number of coins you're gonna get for that amount. Right now it's not tradable, so you're not seeing anything, and that is how you do it. Now when you're done buying with Trust Wallet, you hit on the X to close, click on Trust Wallet, then at the top right corner you're gonna hit on the circle with the 2 lines. Then in the search column you're gonna hit on the plus sign at the top left. Then you're gonna change the network. That's how you add custom tokens. You change the network from Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain. Then you tap on paste to paste the contract address. As you can see, then now you save, and then now your BEP20 FTC is saved in your Trust Wallet. And then you would go down to the bottom and check the list of coins, FTC, as you can see, right? So that's how you do, people. That's how you get your FTC in your Trust Wallet. So thank you all. Hope you just prepare, get your USDT and your BNB ready for gas fees. That is how we would do the trading of the FTC inside of our FinTalk wallet or the Trust Wallet.